Nestled in one of East Medford's most sought-after neighborhoods, this well-cared-for two-story townhome features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an open floor plan, and an abundance of natural light. The downstairs has hardwood floors with 12-foot-tall ceilings. The kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a breakfast bar, and ample cupboard and counter space for all your cooking needs. The kitchen also overlooks a spacious eating area, and your living room is equipped with a cozy electric fireplace. The primary suite provides a spacious walk-in closet and bathroom. The built-in storage racks in the garage are very handy. Stepping into the backyard, you'll find a fully fenced, low-maintenance oasis with artificial grass, built-in planter boxes, and is perfect for outdoor activities and relaxation next to a quiet creek. Enjoy quick access to the walking path, shopping centers, dining establishments, schools, and medical facilities. Call to schedule a tour.